For many, the kind of immortality that medicine might bring sounds like paradise, a world where humanity no longer loses its greatest minds, where brilliant thinkers keep building their knowledge and skills for hundreds, maybe thousands of years. But when we look at a primitive creature like the jellyfish, one that has achieved immortality through evolution, a question arises. Why didn't humans become immortal through natural selection? The answer is both obvious and paradoxical. Immortal species went extinct. The strongest individuals, the alphas, took all the resources, leaving no room for the young to replace them. Evolution stopped. While the immortal ones stagnated, the mortal ones kept adapting, developing better genes for survival, taking food and territory from those who could no longer change. You might think humanity has already escaped that fate, that our dominance on this planet is secure, that no other species could ever surpass us. And that's true. For now, but the world is never still. Climate changes, the atmosphere shifts, volcanoes erupt, asteroids strike. These forces have already caused 5 mass extinctions in Earth's history, and only those who changed survived. From the perspective of a human lifetime, such changes are invisible. But what happens if we stop aging, if we remain the same while the planet keeps changing? Even if humanity somehow avoids destroying itself, in about 500 million years, the Earth will become uninhabitable. The sun is slowly heating up, and one day it will turn into a red giant. When that happens, we'll have to find another star system to call home. Modern technology gives us hope of colonizing the solar system within a few thousand years. But interstellar travel across hundreds of light years remains pure science fiction. It will require discoveries that go far beyond what we understand today. You might say, that's fine. We'll have immortal scientists, brilliant minds who can work for millions of years to make it possible. But here comes the terrifying truth. Adults become conservative. The older we get, the less willing we are to accept ideas that contradict what we already believe. In the Middle Ages, anyone who claimed that Earth was round was called a heretic, and often ended up in prison or worse. Albert Einstein once said, "Common sense is the collection of prejudices acquired by age 18." And physicist Max Planck added, "Science advances one funeral at a time." But what happens when there are no funerals left? The strongest scientific groups will control all the major resources, locking out new generations and new ideas. Imagine a 20-year-old scientist standing before a group of researchers who have studied space-time for 1,000,000 years and dares to suggest that the theory of relativity is fundamentally wrong. No one will call him a heretic, but an asylum will be waiting with open arms, and then science will stop, and with it, humanity itself.